At this time, I'm honored to introduce the Honorable Associate Justice from District 1, Rhonda Sam. Chief Justice.
Anin Buju, good morning, Chief Executive Wynn, Speaker Boyd, and honorable members of Band Assembly, employees and guests, miigwech, for the privilege to provide the State of the Judiciary address as prescribed by Band statute. Before I get to the introductions, I'd like to make reference to Band statute in Title 24, Section 22, 2003 and 2004, in which the judiciary philosophy, the theory of law and principle of the laws of the Mille Band in part of the judiciary philosophy, which indicates that at the times, the circle of peace and harmony amongst the people will be distributed, and the circle of life needs to be restored in a manner that permits the integrity of the individuals to be maintained so the community will continue to grow and prosper. The theory of the law applies the concept of Shawinama, and that the purpose is to keep the people together as one. It serves to balance the forces of life and bring stability to the people so as to coexist in peace and harmony. The principle of the law is a cooperative search for truth and justice amongst all persons coming before the court. Those that come before the court must adhere to the basic principles of honor, respect, integrity, and purity, and kindness. These three statutes have been immensely applied in the last 3 years of the Family Healing to Wellness Court, and I am proud to share a story. However, I must begin with the introduction of the court. I, Rhonda Sam, currently serve as the Chief Justice and as the Appellate Justice for District 1. The Honorable Brenda Moose serves as the Appellate Justice for District 2, and Honorable Bernita Humatwao serves as the Associate Justice for District 3. Please stand and be recognized. Brenda could not be here today, so Brenda, if you're on Zoom, please stand and rise. No, just kidding. We are fortunate to welcome back the return of District Court Judge Dave Christensen. He brings a wealth of education, skills, and experience, and has served in many areas of the Mille Band. In the 1990s, Judge Christensen served as the attorney for the Office of the Solicitor General and moved to the legislative office as a legislative counsel. Eventually, he was appointed to fill the district court judgeship from 2015 to 2020. In August of 24, he eagerly returned to the same position. When asked why he returned and what is the draw to the Mille Band, his response, "I returned to Minnesota because my family is here. Additionally, working for the Mille Band is very rewarding. The government structure, development of the courts, the division of powers is a unique blend of Western law with the Mille Band's cultural values." He further states, "It is exciting to be a part of it. Please stand, Judge Christensen. I would be amiss if not to mention these special magistrates who stepped in during the 9 months when the band was in the hunt to fill the district court judge position. These magistrates will kept the courts in and the caseloads moving so that there was not a huge backlog of cases. The magistrates are Tammy Swenson, B.J. Jones, Joe Plummer, Michael Harrelson, Megan Trayer. Once again, thank you. There are several goals that the judicial branch intends on meeting this year. Here are a few examples. The Associate Justice are reviewing the proposed potential legislation regarding Title V, the Judicial Code, to recommend any emphasis on or changes to the band assembly and chief wind, if any. The Associate Justices are also reviewing the rules of the Court of Appeals to strengthen and further clarify procedures for the review of cases brought to the appellate court. The judicial team is also reviewing the need to fulfill the associate district court judgeship, and finally, a review of the district court rules and the need to streamline for uniformity. Moving to statistics, in 2024, the number of new cases filed totaled 1,054. There were 1,561 hearings held and 2,026 court orders issued. Finally, there was 1,015 cases closed, which 208 of them were filed in 2024. The Peacemaker program had 24 cases referred in 2024, and 4 remained as a carryover from 2023. After holding the circle with the parties, 15 of those cases had positive results, with the parties reaching a resolution. The Peacemaker returns the outcome to the district court with an agreement, and the court issues an order of that agreement. Currently, there are 10 existing cases that the Peacemaker is still working on, bringing the circle together for review and discussion. The Peacemaker program is similar to a mediator, but different in that the Peacemaker uses the 7 values and the circle process to find resolutions that all parties have a say in the outcome. At this time, I would like to ask the Peacemaker, Lori Valles, to stand and be recognized. Miigwech for your hard work and contributions to the court. Now to present the progress of the Family Healing to Wellness Court. As a refresher, this 18-month program is for the parents of banned children whose substance abuse contributed to the family being involved in a child protection proceedings. It is an alternative to the traditional court process, which works to unify families and build a stronger community by providing support and connection to culture and healing services for those impacted by mental health and addiction. there has been significant advancements in the wellness court, which I will share through the last year. Other tribal court judges, visitors, including Mille County, had heard of our program and requested to visit our wellness court to see how the program works. They walked away committed to the types of sorry. All right. In November, the Wellness Court's planning team was asked to give a presentation to the Indigenous health topics held by the Mayo Clinic, which was attended by numerous disciplines from across Indian country. In October, the Family Healing to Wellness Court was awarded another 5-year grant by the U.S. Department of Justice, coordinating tribal assistance solicitation for $515,000 to enhance the wellness court to strengthen the cultural connections and other needs of the program. We are proud to say that we held our first wellness court graduation. Amy Ledoux became our first graduate from the Family Healing to Wellness Court and was recently recognized with a special ceremony. Amy volunteered for the Family Healing to Wellness Court in November of 2022. She worked diligently to abide with the 4 phases of the program with some trials and tribulations. The wellness team always came through with services, support, encouragement, honor, and respect, walking side by side with her every step of the way. Amy's own convictions and dedication to her family and her children ensured that she successfully completed the program. She is a remarkable woman. When asked several questions about what the court did for her and how this changed her life, her response: before the Healing to Wellness, I lost myself in a dark place. The wellness court gave me the guidance I needed to bring light back into my life. I pushed against therapy for a long time, but with the encouragement and support of the team, I decided to give therapy a chance. Although it took a few times to find the right therapist, I can honestly say therapy is much needed, and therapy is awesome. Even my girls are open to therapy. Healing to Wellness gave me strength so that I didn't question my thoughts or my choices. My confidence has been restored. I know my worth now. Wellness Court and my awesome support, family, friends, co-workers, believe in me now, and now I believe in myself. When asked of Amy, what would you say to others facing the same challenges of addiction, trauma, and reunification with their children, she responded, Family Healing to Wellness Court helps. I thought I could do this on my own, but I realized Wellness Court was here to help and guide me to be a better mom, sister, friend, and person. In the beginning, I was coming out of active addiction. The Healing Wellness helped me to love myself again. I would tell anyone wondering if Family Healing to Wellness Court is for them, do it. Each and every person in the wellness team are awesome, wonderful, and caring. They will forever have a special place in my heart, and I am grateful I can call each and every one of them a friend for life. Thank you so very much for the Family Healing to Wellness program. I couldn't have gotten to where I am now without this awesome team. With all that said, Amy, please stand. Members of the audience, help me congratulate Amy with her successful graduation, and I hope it was a night to remember forever for you and your girls and others in attendance. Chimigwich. In closing, the traditional therapy of law, philosophy, and principles are utilized to restore the circle within Amy's family and the community. Those guiding principles work and will be promoted to help other families within the band. We are looking forward to 2025 and beyond. Chimigwich, this concludes the State of the Judiciary report.